Hello, good day everyone. I hope everybody is enjoying and having good life. For those who want to go abroad for searching a job, or either they are going for immigration, so what they should do and what is the best time of the in their life, or what is the best time they should go and plan their journey. So if you are one of those, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you some five don'ts and five do's, that what you should do and what you and what you should not do before leaving the country for this task. Number one, you should before you leave for any job, you should register with the recruiters that find in the Google that what are the recruiters in that company. Register your CV, fill their job database, fill everything, because employers search from the words and they can find you. Try to get all the details in their field, so you should have all the details in their job bank. So keep this thing in your mind, that your CV must be according to that country format or style, and you should you should alter your CV accordingly, and find out that what is the best style used in that particular country. Second thing you should do is, before you leave the country, you should make some good friends socially, either on Facebook or any other way. So you are when you are reaching to that country, you are not alone or alien in that country. At least some people know you and they can help you out in finding the job, or in at least giving some advices. So make some good friends on social media, and try to meet them while you reach to that country, and ask them some tips, that okay, what are the things, at least they can guide you about their country law, about the other things, what you should follow in that country. So make some good friends before you. Number three is that take sufficient fund with you. Don't just go idle, that okay, I'm going and I will do something there, I will earn something. No, this will divert your attention and efforts. Always plan your funds. For example, you are going for 30 days visa and you are planning to stay for 30 days. So plan for your 30 days food per day expenses, your accommodation, your traveling during the interviews, any mishap, like medical or something. So take sufficient funds, so you don't have to think about your funds and your earnings, but you don't lose your attention. And your attention should be always on one thing, that is to find a good job there. Four is that you should polish yourself before you leaving. You just not only depend on your qualification, but you should also consider various things, like you should have some IT courses, you should have some leadership courses, attend some seminars before arriving there. Make something different from the others, so it can grab the attention of the recruiters, that okay, if I'm going to hire that person, it is good for me to give the job to this. Try to learn some local language, a little bit of local language of that country, so that always gives an edge. Last do but not least, trust yourself. Don't lose hope. Always go with positive energy, and always make in your mind that if you are going if you are going to a new country, you are going to achieve your target, your goal, and you can do that in a good manner. So trust on yourself and don't think anything negative. Now let's discuss about some don'ts which you should consider. Let's start now. Number one, never go with incomplete qualification or partial qualification. Whenever you are planning to go to any country, always go with full qualification. Always complete your qualification, take the certificates, take everything with you, and then go. Don't think that okay, I may start my career there and then I will study. It's not, believe me, it's not easy studying and doing job in a new country. You have to face a lot of challenges, a lot of things there, which are not easy at all to cope up with your situation. You have to deal a lot of things. So at least complete one chapter, complete your qualification, and then go, so you don't have to face this challenge. Number two is that don't go unplanned. Always plan everything. Always plan your job, always plan your stay, always plan your place of stay. Always plan that okay, what will be the strategy for the week one, what will be the strategy for week two, week three, and the final week, and what you are going to accept, what you are not going to accept during the time. So always plan, go with the complete plan, and then even you can write it on a piece of paper, and every day you see that did you achieve the daily plan or not. So planning is very important, and don't go unplanned there. Believe me, you are half failed if you are going unplanned there. Number three is don't accept odd jobs. What happens that when we go there and we don't find a job, and we see that the time is reaching and visa is going to expire and fund are also going to expire, we accept some odd jobs and we say, okay, we will change the job. No, that is a wrong strategy, and that actually makes you a failure in your career. Accept the job which you are planning for, and don't go unplanned. Don't accept any job which is not suitable for you. Either it is an odd job, or it is other job which is not belong to your field. Never do that. So wait for the job opportunity. Even if you don't get this, come back to your country and start your career again in that country, because most of the students they make mistakes like this, and after a few years they find out that, okay, where we should go now, because we are neither restart our career nor we can continue this, so they are in a deep trouble. So never accept any odd job. Number four, don't be disheartened. What happens that some people say, why you come here, the situation is not good, why you do this, why you do this. Don't listen to them at all, because when you are not getting the results, after some time negative vibes start coming in your body, and you keep thinking negative. uh, just don't listen to these people. Keep doing your plan work, and leave everything on Allah. So don't even listen to these people who give you negative thoughts and negative comments. Just don't be disheartened, and trust on yourself. The last but not the least, if you are unsuccessful and you are coming back, don't feel that you are a failure, or people will make you fun when you will come back, that, okay, this guy has gone to find a job and he came back without any success. No, you have achieved a lot of things. You have seen that country, you have seen that how to target, how to cope up the situation in a new country, which these people who are commenting on you don't have. And maybe you can go again, you can plan again for another trip after some times, because you already will have some idea that, okay, what are the missing things you have, and what are the things you should do before you leave. So don't listen to them at all. You can start your career always in your country, and trust on yourself, and don't listen to anyone. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please press this red button and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so you can get all the videos on time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.